Hello, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm trying to learn Java completely from ChatGPT. In this video, I'm going to be summarizing my experience of my Blackjack game and how I kind of went through it and my key takeaways from this. So yeah, this project went on for quite a while, longer than I honestly expected it to go on. So the first thing I want to get out is obviously planning is very important. When I initially started this, I didn't do any planning at all. I found it was very easy to get stuff done when I got some planning done, because when you just have some ideas on the fly, it can be a little bad because sometimes they don't match your previous ideas and things just don't get to go together. But when you plan things out, you can have all your ideas really go together. Now, saying that, I did not plan everything through, mainly because I didn't really understand how Blackjack worked, which was probably my fault because I could have reviewed and looked up Blackjack rules, but to me that didn't seem like something that came to my mind because I never thought of Blackjack as such a complicated game. I thought it was just like casino, you play, casino takes your money. I did add quite a bit of features that capture the essence of Blackjack. I didn't make one huge mistake because you take your bet after seeing what cards you have. But that gets me into my next point, is that I constantly got ChatGPT review my code, but it was pretty bad at noticing my mistakes. Now, I will say it was pretty good at refactoring. One of the prompts it told to do was to improve the logging and make it more intuitive for the user, which it indeed did, but it kept on failing to catch this really dumb mistake of mine. And yeah, I was pretty disappointed in it after that. Please note that was on a 3.5, so I don't lose all my hopes in AI. And hey, maybe we don't want AI to be that strong, so it doesn't take our jobs, but I don't think that'll happen too soon, honestly. I think it's just a lot of hype. And sometimes demos make it seem like it's a lot better than it actually is, like that Devin demo. I feel like the ChatGPT 3.5 was also not able to do a little bit more of the complicated tasks, and when it came to a large amount of code, sometimes it wasn't able to fix bugs. And I do believe for some more abstract bugs that are less common, sometimes it fails to be able to solve them. Unlike just me or just any other normal human actually rereading the code, thinking through the processes, and finally figuring out what the error was. This was a project I felt like I could end a lot earlier, but things started to drag out a little and I was getting really sick of coding this. So I'm like, ChatGPT, please help me. But sometimes it didn't. When it comes down to my Java skills, I'm getting quite confident in them. I mean, obviously there's a lot of Java I do not know, but I learned some stuff such as the buffer reader. Always learning when you start a new project. And I feel like my design follow quite a bit Java object-oriented programming principles. I mean, I remember this one commenter saying it didn't. But yeah, I feel like I'm getting quite good at Java. And this project really took me to the test. Did I just run out of my JetBrains? Okay, yeah, active till 11/12. Okay, that was very weird. Maybe that was after 6 months or something. But yeah, everything. Wait, that was pretty weird. IntelliJ seems to be working properly now. I don't know, it just felt like kicking me out because, I don't know, it's something expensive. So they don't want to make sure. They just want to make sure I'm not using this illegally for free when I shouldn't be able to, but I have a valid GitHub student benefit license. Yay. Yeah, I know it's pretty off topic, but if you're a student, I really recommend you get GitHub student benefits. This is not sponsored or anything. There are so many things, including all these JetBrains IDEs, which you honestly take for granted. I mean, you can just look at these bundles and you can just see all the stuff going around. I feel like it used to be better, but you still get benefits such as, yeah, GitHub Copilot. You get DigitalOcean credits, which I'm pretty sure you get it for a free trial, which is a little weird. But yeah, free domain, Microsoft Azure, which I believe you'd also get from a free trial. But just a lot of interesting stuff, and I highly recommend if you're a student to get this. I mean, this project has been kind of an example of how ChatGPT's been. At times, it's been really helpful, and it's been providing help that I feel like a normal person would be able to provide me, not just the internet. And that's been what I really wanted from AI for this journey of learning Java. But yeah, it can sometimes be pretty oblivious to some mistakes. which is not good if you're a student, because your instructors should catch you on this to make sure you don't fall into horrible habits. Anyways, I feel like I had a neutral experience. I feel like I set my expectations a little too high on how easy this project would be on getting stuff done, but honestly, I feel like I learned a lot from it anyways. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and hope you subscribe. Like always, bye bye.